On today's menu, a delicious and easy recipe that will spice up your weekly meals. Vegan Kimchi Jjigae.
I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Now at the end of the episode, be sure to check out and get your free ebook that I put together just for you that has 5 super easy, unintimidating plant-based recipes to help you get started cooking today. Now kimchi jjigae or kimchi stew is absolutely easy. It's a no-brainer, but it's absolutely delicious.
Slice half a pound of extra firm tofu. Roughly slice 1 red onion. Chop 3 sticks of green onion into batons. Stock pot, medium heat. Drizzle of olive oil. Onions. 1 tablespoon Korean pepper powder, also called gochugaru. Saute for a couple minutes.
This is delicious kimchi. I'll leave a link in the description box below to show you exactly step by step how to make this bit of a non-traditional but a quick method of how to make this amazing kimchi.
Roughly 2 cups of kimchi along with its juices. Green onion, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 4 cups unsalted veggie stock, tofu, drizzle of toasted sesame oil. Turn up the heat to bring to a boil, then let it simmer on medium for 15 minutes. Taste and season if needed. Plate. Sprinkle with white sesame seeds and green onion. You can now make this incredibly delicious kimchi stew with absolute confidence.
This really is comfort food, and you're able to make this entire thing in one pot. There's so much flavor. It's just smoky, it's spicy, salty, a little bit of acidity, and that tofu just absorbs all of that incredible flavor. And you get that bit of a tanginess from the amazing kimchi that is really, really delicious. Absolutely incredible. Serve this with a side of rice, and that is one amazing meal. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.